down as string as value.
I'd like to see those. I'm viewing this as potential homicide, Dr. Mills.
Value string equal.
How could you not tell me about your prior relationship?
And we're gonna make this value as the message.
And he broke it off, told me he was engaged.
Message.
What the hell is that?
See what's happening here. And
you know what it's like?
let's copy this and paste. Oops. Paste it here. And type in date time. I'm doing here is I'm creating a database record. And this is going to be like now. Because whenever I call this procedure, that's that moment. That moment is the now, which the now is going to change this to value. The now value is going to stick into date and time. And the owner, copy this. Let's put in here owner ID.
And in that box,
because that's what we put over here in the database. We put an owner ID and create it on. Okay.
3 ounces of rose quality Afghan heroin with a street value of over $80,000. Ladies and gentlemen, at the conclusion of this trial, I will ask you to find the defendant guilty of criminal possession of narcotics in the 50s.
Create it on.
You need to speak a little louder. You mumble sometimes.
Owner ID.
You're doing really great, Brian.
Owner ID is equal to the user session dot user ID, and that's we will set that right now. Let's go into the user session and create a new level here called we're gonna call this one what did we just call it? We just called it user ID. So I can copy this. I can go into the data module.
2 years ago?
She had a cyst, outpatient
or
surgery.
the user session.
After the biopsy.
I can paste it in here. I'm gonna call this is gonna be
download it from the internet. Even put Adler's name on a couple.
It's gonna be a string.
I don't believe this. She faked her child's cancer.
Okay.
Shaved her head, gave her sedatives.
I'm calling it a string, so I'm going to be calling it.
Even made her kid walk around wearing a surgical mask.
In SQL query units, in queries, and it'll be easier for me to do that.
She killed her daughter.
And
owner
ID
I'm not sure about that.
as string.
She committed suicide.
As string.
But her mother practically pushed her out the damn window and that's homicide.
That will fix that.
To me, anyway.
What else do we have? Owner created on. That's it. Okay. That will fix that. Now we have a log. Now we can call this log anywhere we want. So now I can go in here and go. I can put one right after you log on. Watch this. We can go process log on.
Join us tonight.
I can actually put one when it fails.
Take a look at the Family Guy family
Okay, right here. I can go log.
And back to the Stone Age.
User log on failure. And watch this. I can put it before the clear, and I can type in. Now I can actually. I can grab
The Air Miles card. Make it count.
this email here, and I can go put it right here. Put a plus. Put another plus. And put a colon here to make it nice and fancy. Space. And there we go.
Most days, it's all I can do just to drag myself out of bed.
And I can put his password here too.
I actually feel a lot better. But that's pretty rare. My best friend says, it's not that bad. You'll never understand.
And this is going to be called
I'd love to be one of those people who thinks everything will be fine.
Watch what happens now. Now this is going to get sent to the database each time someone logs on and failures. Now I can also I can copy this. And this no, that's fine.
What are you guys doing? You've been driving around the same block for hours. You know,
Okay.
some people drive a
Now,
block
if
to
it's
actually
successful,
do stuff.
I also
Get
want to
groceries,
log
go
as
to work,
well.
that sort of thing.
And that's what I'll
You
do
should
right
really
here.
try it sometime.
User
The
log,
Suzuki Swift Plus,
user,
a sporty car that fits your lifestyle, whatever.
user log on. I'll take a user log on right there. Email, password.
Need to make a great meal? Try Uncle
Simple.
Ben's Bistro Express. Delicious
Okay.
rice in just 2 minutes.
Now let's
Easy
just,
to make, perfect every time. Rice it up.
Evolution goes on trial in Springfield. I mind it.
let's not put the password in here. I don't need that.
Melanie
It's a waste of
Griffith, guest stars
information.
on The Simpsons. A global
Okay.
premiere episode.
Let's try this out.
Sunday, 8/7 Central.
Smart travelers flying home from over 60 destinations in Hawaii and
Understand L.
You'll save time with quick baggage claim.
Okay, let's try this again. Okay, there we go. So let this load up here. Now, let's log on. Now, we'll notice the database is nothing. It's empty. So let's go to the website and let's just log on here. And let's check this out. Okay, logged on. Now we can actually go to the log and see what's here. Nothing. So it didn't write to the log. Oh, I know why. It didn't write to the log because I didn't post the editing. I forgot a command. I gotta post this.
Andrew, so as we
Okay.
thought, cancer has spread.
Now that will write the
We're gonna
record
have
to
you
the
see your
database.
neurological surgeon who will be performing the laparoscopic
Okay,
kidney
and
surgery.
let's also
Now,
close
this
it.
type of procedure does reduce the risk of neurological damage and blood
Let's
loss,
stop it
but you still
and
could
redo
require a blood transfusion, and you may need a urinary catheter for a few days post-surgery. Any questions?
Okay, here we go. One more quick try here. And let's try this. Now we're logged on, database, and there we go. Now we've just successfully created a database log of who logs in and who logs off, and which date and time.
The daughter killed herself.
That's a nice log. Okay, that's demo number 10. If you want to get a hold of me, burndata@hotmail. Later.
So far you haven't found it. I've never seen a case that supports your theory.